Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I will be explaining what do follow backlinks. Now that the introduction is out of the way, let's dive right into the topic of today. Do follow backlinks. In simple terms, a backlink is a link from one website to another, and the do follow tag on those links designates that search engines should pass link juice from the website linking out to the website it links to. These backlinks act as an endorsement for your website, as it indicates that a website is recommending your site to its visitors and passing on trust signals. This helps search engines decide that your website is valuable and worth ranking. In conclusion, do follow backlinks are an integral part of any successful SEO strategy and should not be overlooked. They're the key to improving your website's visibility and trustworthiness in the eyes of search engines, and provide a steady source of organic traffic. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found the information helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be sure to respond with answers. Thanks for joining and have a great day.